how to manage your charging details here on what they call this, on Timo Club. So yeah, so here we're gonna teach you how to I'm gonna teach you how to manage your charging. So here all we need to do is open up our what they call this Timo Club right here. Then the bottom right corner, using me, press on me right there. After pressing on me right there, next thing we need to do is click on right there. As you can see right there, this is what we call recharge. And here, as you can see, here are our coins right there. You have 0. So to manage this, we can get some free coins by doing some tasks right here. So gold coins right there, or you can just buy it. So here we can buy 3,100 coins for only $1, 7,000 for only like $2, and so there we go. So much more right there. It's so go on, so on and so forth. And here, how do we get gold coins? We can either buy here, or we can be SVIP system right there. You can be a VIP, as you can see right there. There you go. Or you can get some free coins right here by doing some tasks, doing some, for example, check-in right here. You got 250 coins. Doing some newbie tasks right here. You get do any of those right there, and then after doing any of those right there, then you're done. You can get yourself some coins right here, or if you want, you can invite friends to earn money right here. Once you earn, you can now buy some recharge right here, and then there you go, guys. That's how you do it. That's how you manage your charging easily here on Timo Club. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have no question, consider step it down comment below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible here on Guide Games. Anyways, guys, there you go, and thank you, guys.